YouTube has become a real goldmine, and if you think it's just another video platform, you're very much mistaken. In a digital world where creativity knows no bounds, some YouTubers have truly capitalized on their audiences and built multimillion-dollar empires. But who are these internet giants who are revolutionizing the market and changing the way we view success? Get ready to discover the secrets of the wealthiest content creators on the planet and how they amassed their fortunes. MrBeast, the king of YouTube and the goldmine of challenges. When we talk about the richest YouTubers, there's no way to avoid mentioning MrBeast, the phenomenon that rewrote the rules of the platform. With over 320 million followers on his channel, James Stephen Jimmy Donaldson, aka MrBeast, is a true money-making machine. His journey began with simple gaming and reaction videos, but it was in 2017, with the epic video counting to 100,000, that he went viral. But his success didn't stop there. MrBeast turned his channel into a true factory of innovative content, featuring insane challenges that offer millions of dollars in prizes. And that's not all. He expanded his brand into other successful ventures, such as MrBeast Burger and the delicious Feastables chocolate bars. He's also an icon of philanthropy, with initiatives like Team Trees and Team Seas, raising millions for environmental causes. But of course, not everyone is a fan of his methods, and he recently faced controversies surrounding his show Beast Games, involving criticism about the conditions on set. Despite this, his empire continues to grow. Dhar Mann, the inspiration that generates millions. Another name shining on YouTube is Dhar Mann, with 23 million subscribers and a unique approach to motivational videos. His content, addressing topics like bullying, racism, and social inequality, has won over millions of hearts. Dhar doesn't limit himself to just creating inspiring videos. He has built a true empire with partnerships with giants like WhatsApp and Universal, in addition to managing his own creator agency and beauty line, LiveGlam. Over the past 12 months, he generated about $45 million. His Los Angeles studio serves as the base for producing videos that touch many people's souls, transforming his own pain into a source of income and transformation for his followers. Rife, the meteoric rise of comedy. You've probably seen Rife cracking jokes on Instagram or TikTok, but his rise is much more than just a string of funny punchlines. A stand-up comedian and former cast member of Wild 'N Out, Matt quickly took the internet by storm with his sharp humor, attracting both Generation Z and millennials. And like any great content creator, he has leveraged his fame to expand his horizons, with a stand-up tour that sells out shows around the world. He's not just a comedian, he's a digital sensation, making a significant fortune while making people laugh. Charli D'Amelio, the dancer who conquered the world. Charli D'Amelio, at just 18 years old, was named the highest-earning TikToker of 2021, and her meteoric rise is a perfect example of how the power of dance can transform lives. Her TikTok videos, filled with viral choreography, made her one of the most followed people on the platform. But Charli didn't stop there. In addition to starring in ad campaigns for major brands like Garnier, she launched her own footwear line, D'Amelio Footwear, and is now venturing into Broadway with a role in the musical and Juliet. Her versatility places her among the most influential digital stars, a constant rising star. The Stokes twins, an unbeatable duo of success. Identical twins Alex and Alan Stokes are a true sensation on social media, leading one of the fastest-growing channels on YouTube. With over 100 million followers across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, they have captured a massive fanbase with pranks, challenges, and hilarious vlogs. Videos like, "I built a secret McDonald's in my room," regularly garner millions of views, and their popularity continues to soar. In the past 12 months, the twins' videos amassed an impressive 4 billion views. The duo proves that teamwork can lead to overwhelming success. Felipe Neto, the Brazilian giant on YouTube. While international stars dominate the rankings, Felipe Neto shines as the richest YouTuber in Brazil, with an estimated annual income of $13 million, about 65 million reais. With 42.4 million subscribers, Felipe maintains his popularity with content ranging from social criticism to controversial discussions. But he's not the only Brazilian creator at the top. Names like Whindersson Nunes, one of the most followed comedians in Brazil, and Primo Rico, the financial influencer who shares valuable investment tips, are also among the highest paid on the platform. These YouTubers have proven that with creativity, dedication, and a bold business vision, it's possible to turn a simple idea into a multimillion-dollar empire. From insane challenges to inspiring stories, these personalities are at the top, not only for what they do but for the unique way they connect with and engage their audiences, creating business opportunities on multiple fronts. Are you ready to follow in their footsteps and maybe, one day, become the next big name on YouTube? Success is within reach for those who know how to seize it.